Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2014 Nissan Versa we're going to be working on today. If you need any parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. The interior fuse box is located right here underneath this panel. You can take your key or a small flat blade screwdriver, get underneath here. Pry this panel up. On the back side of the panel, there is a key. And then in here, you can see all the fuses. There's a tool right here, this little white thing. You can grab it with your fingers, squeeze it, pull it out. That's going to help you pull the fuses out. So you can just latch it onto a fuse, push it on, and then you move your fingers further in and you can pull the fuse out. This happens to be the blower motor fuse. And slide it back in, take it out. And just use your fingers. To reinstall the fuse, and just slide it back into place. And pull the tool out. You can reinstall the tool in the proper location. Lock it in place. Put the cover back on. Lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.